Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we are going to be making a snack from matoke or green plantain. Did you know that you can make a very nice snack for your family? It can as well be a small business venture for you. We are going to start by peeling the matoke like you see in the video. This is a very nice snack and surprisingly kids love it a lot, so I decided to share the recipe with you. Once you are done, wash the matoke and then we are going to slice them into these can be long slices, they can be short slices, round slices, whichever kind of slice you would love to make, they are just fine depending on the slicer you are using. I used this and it did a very great job for me. Kindly subscribe to help me grow, like the video and let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Here I was doing those round nice slices. Make sure they are uniform, that's why I am using a slicer. Please like, share and subscribe. Once we are done, we are going to soak this in ice cold water or just cold water. I mean, it has to be cold water, not lukewarm water, because we want them to to separate, like not to stick onto each other. And also, since we are adding this turmeric powder, we want every slice to get that nice color, that yellow color from this turmeric powder. So we are going to soak them for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, as they so kindly help me subscribe to my channel, this is how you subscribe. It is free of charge. So you click on Ugandan Kitchen, then click on the subscribe button, then you have subscribed. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Go to all notifications and you will get that you will be getting all my notifications. Like my video to help me grow. Let me know what you think about them. Leave a comment section below and let me know if you have tried any of my recipes, how it came out. Let me know the feedback. What did you change in that recipe? After 20 minutes, you can see that the slices are not sticky onto each other, and also like they have that yellow color from the turmeric powder that we added. So drain the water and then we are going to spread them on a tray lined with a paper towel. Here we want them to cool, we want them to dry out before we move on to the next step. So spray them onto a tray. I ended up spreading them on 3 different trays like you can see. Then let them cool for 20 to 30 minutes. You can do this indoor, you don't have to take them out. And if you decide to take them out, you may need to like cover them with something to avoid dust getting onto them. Then after, start frying on medium heat in enough oil, and we are going to fry this until they are crispy and brown. You can see that this is an easy snack that you can make for your family, especially this holiday. So it is an easy snack. So once they start floating on top and they no longer make that noise, then they are ready to be taken out. And at this rate they are already crispy. You can just break them and you see that they are crispy, and drain them on a paper towel or kitchen towel to remove any excess oil. Just repeat the process with the rest of the slices, and then you have your nicely fried matoke crisps or banana crisps, whichever you would love to call them. These aren't sweet like the plantain or the gonja crisps, but they are as well good. I mean, for people who do not want the gonja crisps, this can be another alternative, and kids surprisingly loved them, although they are not that sweet when you compare them to the gonja crisps, but they are as well yummy. So yeah, let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. They are nice and crispy, and it is another snack that you can prepare for your family. Store in an airtight container and you have a snack, an evening snack for your people. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Check out my other recipes, my other videos, and let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching.